What's your favorite movie?
Well, I love the movie Interstellar. It is a science fiction film. It describes a group of astronauts who are in search of a new home for humanity.
Do your friends like this movie?
Actually, yes, they like it too. It was one of my friends who recommended this movie to me. Some of them were so amused that they began telling me that we better get prepared to live on planets like Mars.
What kind of movies do young people like?
In my opinion, young people are fond of Superman characters like Spider-Man. Also, they like fantasies like Harry Potter, I guess.
Would you like to be a movie star?
Well, no, not at all. I hate to sacrifice my privacy. I hate to be surrounded by paparazzi all the time, you know?
Fiction. Literature in the form of prose, especially novels, that describes imaginary events and people. For example, things which were once created in fiction are becoming a reality. Astronaut. Astronaut is a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. For example, a group of astronauts traveled to Mercury last week. Amused, which means finding something funny or interesting. For example, children were so amused by the magician. Paparazzi, which is a freelance photographer who pursues the celebrities to get photographs of them. For example, she drove the car fast to escape from paparazzi.